So we're loading up a prescription on an Ag Leader InCommand 1200. Same process works for the InCommand 800. The only difference is the smaller screen size. We're setting up an air seeder today with a variable rate prescription run off of multiple bins. So what we do is, step one is you hit application. And I should mention we put our flash drive in, powered up the monitor, so that's already loaded up. Select your equipment. We're in a Case IH 600 horse, 60 foot, 15 inch. Everything's good there. You hit next. You'll select your crop season, your grower, farm, and then your field from the field list. You'll hit next. So this is a 3-bin air cart, so we will select each product that goes into each bin. So channel 1 is tank 1, channel 2 is tank 2, channel 3 is tank 3. Make sure they're all active if you're using them, and go ahead and assign your products from the list. So we've already got this one set up with tank 1, we'll be running our mez. Tank 2 will be running our potash, and tank 3 will be running an 85-15 urea AMS blend. So once you have your products assigned to your tank, hit next. Start new event. Next. Controlling products, that'll match up with what you assigned earlier. Hit the green check. This is just a calibration warning, we still have to calibrate. So you'll hit this green box at the top and go to your wrench icon. You'll hit your RX with the little folder. This monitor isn't particular. You can put shape files into any named folder. I just named it Fertilizer RXs. Expand that. Scroll down and we can see all of our prescriptions came in. So we're going to select south of shop 14 for this example. Hit next. Now this part is important. You're going to start out with like tank 1, and you'll have your products assigned from your shapefile prescription. So mez is going to go in tank 1, product is mez, pounds, or our units are pounds, and our default rate defaults to the average rate, which I recommend leaving at that. Hit next. We get a preview of our prescription. We can scale our prescription. We've got our minimum to apply and our maximum applied. That comes from our prescription, and we get a summary. Hit the green check, and we'll just keep working through our products since this is a 3-product, 3-cart setup. Find our field again. Make sure you select the same field. South of shop 14. Hit next. Very important to change your column. Now bin 2 is our potash. So we want to make sure we select our 0060 or whatever our potash column is. Units are right. Default rate is our average. So hit next. We're flat rating the potash, so our map is a solid color. Hit our check mark. Then our last one's going to be our 85-15. South of shop 14. We're selecting the same prescription for each one. Very important to change our column to our urea AMS blend, 85-15. Default all looks good. We hit next. We get a preview of the variable rate map. That all looks good. Hit our checkbox. All of these have turned to red dashes, meaning there's a prescription loaded. We'll go back, and there's our position, and here's the prescription map for our mez, our flat rated potash, and our urea AMS blend. On this side of the screen, as you go through the field, there's going to be a target rate. That's what the prescription's calling for. And then there is this other symbol is what it's actually applying. So those should be very similar, if not right on. As you change zones to zones, your target will change and your actual applied rate will change.